tractor we're going to be using today is the T7210, and I'll show you on the back of the plough. We put a new one on since this one fell off last year, so we just replaced it. Haven't used this plough this year. As you can see, it's still got the grease on it. So I'm going to get in now, get down to the field, and I'll see you then. This here is the field we're going to be ploughing, and since it's a bit wet and pretty steep, we're just going to be going down the field. So I'm going to go to the top and just start, and then I'll show you some more in a bit. I've now started off this bit, going down here. The birds have already found me. It's pretty deep, so that's good. I did have to move the arms down a bit, but that's fine. See the birds behind. Out again just to show. Normally we would put the front weight on, but since we're just going to go down the field, there's not really much need. Plus the tractor can do fine without it. Got quite a lot done at the moment. This morning I'm back down here and it's a little bit drier, so hopefully we're going to be able to plough both ways. Later, 10:30, and we've just got about halfway through, I reckon. Where you can't see it right now, but we've got up to the gate. So I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to do one more strip going up, and then I'm going to finish the rest tomorrow. As you can see, this corner bit, you would start by cutting into the corner to even it out down here, since this bit down here I'll show you, but here it's a lot wider, so we would have to start on that bit down there, up there I mean. Down here is all finished. We've got right close to the hedge, as you can see, so I'm just going to go along this bit. This field is now done. It is very windy out here, so hopefully the audio is fine, but these edges will eventually be sorted. Just got to go right across them, since it's going, tractor's been going both ways, it can't reach the very end. But I hope you... Gotta roll it and power harrow it a couple times, so we get that done soon. Just need to finish off these edges. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed.